All right, everyone. Welcome back to What the Fun English, the podcast where you learn English through...
Josh, wait, just 1 second.
Yeah, of course. What's happening?
I just need to do this.
Do what, Becky? What is it?
This thing.
You're cleaning.
Yeah, I am.
Right now?
Yes, right now.
But we're already talking.
I know. It's just, if I don't do it now, part of my brain doesn't really start.
Okay, so this is not about dirt.
No, not really.
It's more like you like cleaning while you're getting ready to think.
Exactly. I like doing it before I speak.
That explains a lot, Becky.
Does it?
Yeah, you're already talking, but another part of you is still preparing.
That's a very good way to put it.
All right. I'll wait.
Okay, now we can talk.
You know, Becky, this kind of habit always makes me think of something.
What?
Those things people do that feel completely unnecessary to everyone else around them.
Oh, those things.
Yes, and the strange part is they really like doing them.
Even when everyone is watching?
That's not a problem. They don't mind if other people are looking.
Oh, okay. I already don't like where this is going.
Let me give you a very specific place, Becky.
Okay, I'm listening.
You're on the bus. It's early. People are quiet.
That special kind of quiet.
Yes, the kind where nobody wants anything extra.
No. No surprises.
Exactly. And you're standing there holding the bar, just trying to arrive.
Already tired.
And then someone takes their phone out. At first, you don't think much of it.
Right. That's normal.
But then they press play.
Okay. Play how?
Out loud, no headphones.
Oh, good Lord.
And suddenly, the bus is not quiet anymore.
I hate hearing other people's voice messages, Josh.
Me too. I really hate being part of conversations I didn't choose.
Yes, that's exactly it.
You're not just hearing noise, you're hearing someone's life.
And you didn't ask for it.
No, you didn't agree to listen.
I like choosing what I listen to.
Same. I like controlling my sound.
And suddenly you can't.
Exactly. Now you're listening to someone's aunt, or someone's problem, or someone's lunch plans.
Always lunch plans.
Always. And here's the strange part.
Uh-oh, I'm afraid to ask.
Some people actually like listening like that.
They like doing it?
Yes. They say it feels more open.
Open how?
Like they're sharing the moment.
With strangers, Josh?
With anyone who's there.
So the bus becomes a living room?
Exactly. A small moving living room.
I hate that idea.
Me too. I hate turning public places into private spaces.
Yes, there's something uncomfortable about that.
I agree with you there. But for them, it feels normal.
Because they like sharing?
They like being heard, and they don't mind who hears them.
That's the part I don't understand, really.
Same. They love having private moments in public.
Oh, that's a good way to say it.
I like being around people without interacting with them.
Yes, I love that kind of distance.
But these people don't.
No, they love breaking that distance.
And that's why this habit looks strange.
From the outside, it looks rude.
But from the inside, it feels comfortable or even friendly.
Which explains why they keep doing it.
Exactly. They like listening without headphones.
And we hate being part of it.
We do. Same place, same bus.
But very different feelings, Josh.
And somehow, that's still quiet behavior.
Oh boy. What do you mean by quiet?
People who talk.
People who talk? Talk how, Josh?
To themselves. Some people talk to themselves.
Some people talk to themselves in public, Josh?
Yes, like really in public.
Josh, I think you mean whispering, right?
No, not whispering.
So you actually mean talking?
Yep, talking. Full sentences, and sometimes questions.
Questions?
Yes, you hear things like, why did I do that? Or, no, that's not a good idea.
Oh no, those sentences should stay inside.
That's what I thought too.
Okay, wait, where does this happen?
Everywhere. On the street, in the supermarket, in line.
In line? Josh, that's a shared space.
I know. That's what makes it interesting.
Oh, come on, interesting for who?
For the person talking.
Really? Of course it is.
You see someone walking, and at first you think, okay, they're on the phone.
That's the polite thought.
Yes, you want that to be true.
So you look for the phone.
Yeah, you look for the phone, you look for the headphones.
And boom, there's nothing.
Nothing.
Oh.
And then you hear, no, that's not what I meant.
That sentence should not be free.
It really shouldn't.
Because now you're listening.
Yes, now you're involved.
And you don't know what to do with your face.
Exactly, you don't know where to look.
You suddenly become very interested in the floor.
Or the ceiling, or random product on a shelf.
Ah, I hate that feeling.
Me too. I hate pretending everything is normal when it clearly isn't.
And the worst part?
Tell me.
They're very comfortable, right?
Yes, that's the strange part.
Are they embarrassed?
No, not at all.
They don't lower their voice? They don't look around?
Nope. They just keep going.
Okay, I don't understand that kind of confidence.
Neither did I. So I asked someone once.
Are you kidding me? You actually asked?
Yes, I did. I was very careful.
What did you say?
I said, doesn't it feel strange to talk to yourself outside?
Wow, Josh, that's a brave question.
It was. And they said, no, I like thinking out loud.
Thinking out loud?
Yes. They said it helps them organize ideas.
In the street?
In the street.
So the street becomes what? A notebook?
Exactly. Or a meeting room. An open meeting room.
I like notebooks. I like meeting rooms. I don't like them following me.
That's fair.
I like my thoughts quiet.
They like hearing them.
I keep my thoughts inside my head.
They let their thoughts walk around.
That sounds dangerous.
Maybe, but they say it feels lighter.
Oh, really? Lighter how?
Like the idea leaves the body.
I don't want my ideas leaving without me.
I get that.
Also, what if someone answers?
Oh.
That's my fear.
Yes, that would change everything.
Because now it's not thinking. Now it's a conversation with a stranger about a thought that was never invited. No, I dislike that.
Okay, so you dislike watching that.
I really do.
But some people love doing it.
I believe you, Josh.
And that's the strange part of habits.
What is it?
The same thing can feel very calm to one person and very uncomfortable to another.
That's true. And we're all sharing the same space.
Exactly.
Okay, that's enough public behavior for me.
Good.
Let's go somewhere safer.
Home?
Yes, perfect. Home.
You know what's interesting about all these habits we're talking about?
What?
Some of them look strange only when someone else sees them. But some of them, people notice because they never change.
What do you mean?
The way you go places, the route you take.
Oh.
Same street, same turns. Every single day, you know?
Even when there are other options?
Even then, and people notice it.
Do they?
They ask questions like, why don't you try another way? Or don't you get bored?
And what do you say?
Honestly, I say nothing.
Because there's no good explanation, is there?
Exactly. I just know that I like taking the same route.
You like doing it.
I really do. I like knowing what comes next. I like not thinking too much in the morning.
That makes sense.
When I take the same path, my body walks and my mind rests.
Oh, I like that sentence.
Because when I try a different route, I suddenly start thinking.
Thinking about what? Directions?
Yeah, about directions, time, traffic, turns, and I hate doing that early in the day.
Oh, I see. It's really a lot. So it's not about being boring, right?
No, it's about being calm.
I think I understand that.
Do you do the same thing?
Yes. I do.
Really?
Yes, I like walking the same streets. I like recognizing places. And I love not feeling lost.
Oh, that's important.
Very. I hate starting my day by making decisions.
Same.
When the route is already decided, I feel lighter, you know?
Exactly. That's the feeling again, see?
Yeah, and from the outside, it looks strange. It looks like routine or like fear of change.
But from the inside, it feels comfortable, it feels safe, and it feels finished.
That's why people keep doing it. Not because they can't change, but because they don't want to.
Oh yeah, because they like repeating it, right? And sometimes they even love doing it. Yes, even when other people don't understand. Which brings us back to the beginning.
Exactly. Some habits look strange to others, but make perfect sense to the person doing them, and that's why we're talking about them.
So, after all these habits,
Yeah, after all this very normal behavior that somehow looks strange.
we're pretty sure this isn't just us.
No, not at all.
Everyone likes doing something that only makes sense from the inside, something that feels calm to you, but confusing to other people.
So now we want to hear from you, our listener, because this kind of habit never feels strange when you're doing it.
It only feels strange when someone else is watching.
So tell us, what do you like doing that other people don't understand? What do you love repeating even when people ask you why?
And what do you hate seeing other people do, even though they clearly enjoy it?
Where does it happen? At home, on the street, in public, or only when nobody is watching?
Leave us a comment. Share that habit that feels normal to you and strange to everyone else.
We read them. We recognize ourselves.
And we promise we won't ask you to change it.
Because liking what you like doing is kind of the whole point. See you next time.
Here on What the Fun English.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.